All right, here we're gonna do the Hudson State Park. Me and Bart are gonna do a loop, 4-mile loop around Bull Lane. Here we're starting to get some of the information we need before we go. This is gonna be a 4.3 mile hike. So Bart's giving some information about stuff he knows to some tourists. But we're gonna attempt to climb the hill to Mount Beacon. Not sure the elevation now, I'll post it on the screen. See you on the trail. So, we've made it up 2 inclines. Very steep. I think we may have underestimated this one a little bit. I'm already out of breath. How about you, Bart?
Yep.
So, we're gonna attempt to power through. It's a good view looking down at the Hudson from maybe a quarter of the way up the trail. I'm not sure. We're definitely winded. All right. See you again in a little bit. Another good shot found by Mr. Galloway. Yep, he gets all the credit, not me. It's kind of cool. You can see almost the whole town here. A little residential area. You got a high school over here or a college. Which are city houses or storefront stores. All right, so we seem to have made it to the somewhat of a summit, Bull Hill. What you think, Bart?
I think it sure as hell better be the top.
This is my thought. I think we've had enough of this. Not really the easiest hike we've ever done. But we will survive.
Definitely.
Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down.
I feel like I've been a lot more up than down.
That's true, and we are now fighting the sun coming down, so with one flashlight. We will power through this. Hey, we already made it to the summit, so essentially we have done it. And a cool fact is, I should have flipped the camera around. We could see Manhattan all the way up here, which was neat. 70 plus miles away. You could see the One World Trade. So we heard you could see it from the top of Beacon at the Fire Watch, but haven't made it there yet. Well, Bart has, I haven't. Bart's trying to make it back, but this is
Ain't gonna happen this trip. Maybe
next trip. It's all good. I'm completely happy doing this. I'm trying to find our markers again. All right, gotta go. Oh, here we are, right here. We're good. All right, everybody. We'll see you back at the car.